nutrition, because I got enough to spare. And I'll be granting your permission, cause you haven't got a prayer. And I said, hey, hallelujah, I wanna come on, sing the praise, and let the Spirit come on through ya. We got innocence for days. Well, I think I'm on burning hell. Everybody burn a house right down and say what I wanna say. Tell me I'm an angel, take this to my grave. Tell me I'm a bad man, kick me like a stray. Tell me I'm an angel, take this to my grave. Oh, no. You play ring around the ambulance like you never gave a care. So get the choir boys around you, it's a compliment, I swear. And I say